India's first Neo Metro project with high-tech drone surveys, the Uttarakhand Metro Rail project. In a groundbreaking move, as per news reports of January 3, 2024 and January 4, 2024, the Uttarakhand Metro Rail project is set to elevate its infrastructural survey game by deploying cutting-edge drones. The ambitious Neo Metro Systems Personal Rapid Transit (PRT) corridor, a pioneering initiative in India, is slated for surveying by IG Drones, a leading drone tech and analytics company. The utilization of high-tech drones promises real-time project tracking, offering a revolutionary approach to monitor progress and enhance safety measures. This video deals primarily with the use of high-tech drones for a metro project. In forthcoming videos, we shall explore details of the proposed Neo Metro project and Uttarakhand's Dehradun-Rishikesh-Haridwar Metro corridor. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. The CEO and founder of IG Drones, Bodhisattva Sangapriya, expressed the magnitude of the challenge, stating, "Surveying a metro rail project in such tough terrain is a challenging task in itself, but we have the latest drone technology and software to monitor such projects in detail." The drones, armed with advanced sensor capabilities, capture high-resolution images and videos along with additional ground data. The collected information undergoes processing through IG-1, the company's proprietary software, providing profound technical insights and analytics crucial for real-time tracking. IG Drones is supported by Government of India, Government of Gujarat and Government of Odisha and has its corporate office at Ahmedabad in Gujarat and branch offices at Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, Patna and Bangalore. It is delivering global cutting-edge technology solutions for localized needs with utmost efficiency and industry standards. With years of expertise in delivering industry-specific solutions, IG Drones has set up many benchmarks in the state-of-the-art technology solutions in infrastructure, power, railway, road, mines, water resources, oil and gas, smart city planning, good governance etc. IG Drones is setting new standards in delivering solutions using artificial intelligence, machine learning, satellite imagery, drone, big data analysis, cloud computing, GIS analysis etc. to cater domain-specific solutions to industries. The Neo Metro project, a state-of-the-art rapid transit system, aims to interconnect major cities in Uttarakhand, including Dehradun, Haridwar, and Rishikesh. This personalized rapid transit corridor, part of the Mass Rapid Transit System, MRTS, is designed to alleviate traffic congestion and provide a world-class commuting experience. The project has been initiated by the government of Uttarakhand. Drones have become indispensable tools in modern infrastructure projects due to their efficiency, precision, and cost-effectiveness. The application of drones in surveying construction progress, assessing work quality, and identifying potential issues during the construction phase has become increasingly prevalent. This move not only reduces reliance on manual labor but also results in significant time and cost savings. IG Drones, with its expertise in the field, previously secured the contract to survey the Mumbai-Ahmedabad Bullet Train project in March 2023, showcasing their credibility and proficiency in handling major infrastructural surveys. Moving on to another perspective, the Uttarakhand government's decision to employ drones for surveying the proposed Personalized Rapid Transport (PRT) corridor linking Haridwar, Rishikesh, and Dehradun under the Neo Metro system marks a significant stride in technological advancements. The contract for surveying the Uttarakhand Metro Rail project for the PRT corridor was awarded to IG Drones, known for its expertise in unmanned aerial vehicle technology. IG Drones, equipped with domestically developed 5G drones, will conduct regular overviews of the ongoing work progress on the ground. The advanced sensors integrated into these drones enable the capture of high-resolution images, videos, and additional ground data. This wealth of information is then processed through IG1, their proprietary software, ensuring comprehensive technical insights and analytics. Bodhisattva Sangapriya reiterated the company's commitment to overcoming the challenges posed by the rugged terrain, emphasizing their capability to provide detailed monitoring using sophisticated drone technology. Leveraging sophisticated drone technology, our company will furnish comprehensive technical insights and analytics to government officials and regulatory bodies, facilitating real-time project tracking and enhancing safety and security measures, Sangapriya emphasized. The NEO Metro project's overarching goal is to construct state-of-the-art rapid transit systems in Dehradun, Haridwar, and Rishikesh within the next 4 years. This initiative aligns with the broader objective of improving intercity connectivity and addressing traffic congestion issues. The upcoming metro rail project in Dehradun will be extended to Haridwar and Rishikesh. IG Drones has been awarded the contract for the topographical survey to prepare a detailed project report, DPR, for the proposed Personalized Rapid Transit Corridor, PRT. This corridor is set to cover key routes within Dehradun, acting as a feeder line for the proposed metro corridor. Gopal Sharma, Pro of Uttarakhand Metro Rail, Urban Infrastructure and Building Construction Corporation Limited, explained, the PRT will act as a feeder line for the proposed metro corridor in Dehradun. 2 metro lines, ISBT to Gandhi Park and FRI to Raipur, have been proposed in the first phase. The proposal for the metro rail in Dehradun received approval from the State Cabinet in February 2022 and awaits consideration at the union government level. According to the Letter of Acceptance issued by the Uttarakhand Metro Rail, Urban Infrastructure and Building Construction Corporation Limited, IG Drones is tasked with completing the survey work within 2 months from the start date. This emphasizes the urgency and efficiency required for the successful execution of the survey. In conclusion, the use of high-tech drones by IG Drones in surveying the Uttarakhand Metro Rail project signifies a leap in technological innovation. The integration of advanced sensors, proprietary software, and real-time analytics not only ensures accurate project tracking but also sets a precedent for future infrastructural developments. The NEO Metro project's commitment to world-class commuting experiences and improved connectivity aligns with the evolving technological landscape, making Uttarakhand a hub for innovative and efficient metro systems. Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.